Sometimes kidney disease doesn't begin with genetics. It begins with something much smaller. A box in the corner, a smell we stop noticing, a habit we assume is fine. And over years, that small daily stress adds up. Today, I want to talk calmly and honestly about 15 litter box cleaning mistakes that quietly strain your cat's kidneys, bladder, lungs, and joints. Not overnight, not dramatically, but slowly. If you're watching this, you care. So let's walk through this together, one piece at a time. If you fix even 3 of these, you reduce daily stress on your cat's body. And that matters more than most people realize. 1. Scooping only once a day. Most people scoop in the morning and feel responsible, but urine starts turning into ammonia within just a few hours. That means by evening, fumes are building. Cats breathe close to the surface when they enter the box. Their noses are far more sensitive than ours. What we barely smell, they fully experience. And here's the part many owners miss. If the box smells strong, some cats simply wait. They hold their urine. Holding urine concentrates minerals. Concentrated urine irritates the bladder lining. Over time, that irritation can lead to inflammation, crystals, and strain on the kidneys. Twice-a-day scooping lowers ammonia, lowers stress, and encourages normal elimination. Morning, evening. It sounds small. It isn't. 2. Using scented litter. Manufacturers design litter for human noses, but cats have a sense of smell far beyond ours. A fresh meadow fragrance inside a small plastic box can feel overwhelming. Some cats rush in and rush out. Others avoid it quietly. Chronic avoidance leads to holding urine. Unscented, low-dust litter is usually the safest choice. If you can clearly smell perfume when you pour it, your cat smells far more. This is one of the easiest fixes you can make. 3. Not enough litter depth. Many people use a thin layer to save money, 1 to 2 inches. But cats are wired to dig and bury. It's instinct. If they can't dig properly, they may feel unsettled. Some scratch at the sides instead. Some don't bury at all. That mild frustration adds stress to an already vulnerable moment. 3 to 4 inches allows proper digging and better absorption. It keeps urine from pooling at the bottom, where odor builds faster. Comfort in the box encourages complete elimination, and complete elimination protects the bladder. 4. Covered boxes that trap fumes. Covered boxes look tidy, they hide mess, they reduce smell in the room, but they also trap ammonia inside. Heat builds, humidity builds, fumes linger. Imagine stepping into a small portable restroom that hasn't been ventilated. That's the experience for some cats. Not every cat refuses a covered box, but many prefer open airflow. If your cat hesitates at the entrance, peeks inside, or eliminates quickly and leaves, ventilation may be the issue. Removing the lid is a simple experiment worth trying. 5. High sides for aging joints. By age 12, most cats show signs of arthritis, even if they never limp. Climbing into a high-sided box can hurt hips and knees. Pain during elimination creates avoidance. Avoidance creates retention. Retention increases bladder pressure and kidney strain. Low entry boxes, especially for cats over 8 years old, remove that barrier. Watch how your older cat steps. If they pause or brace before entering, it may be time to lower the sides. Small joint pain often goes unnoticed until it changes behavior. 6. Too few litter boxes. The rule many veterinarians quietly follow is 1 box per cat plus 1 extra. 1 cat, 2 boxes. 2 cats, 3 boxes. Why? Because no cat should ever feel they must wait. In multi-cat homes, 1 cat may block access, or both boxes may be soiled at the same time.
When access isn't easy, some cats hold urine longer than they should. This mistake is more common than people realize, and it's preventable. 7. Poor box location. Location affects stress more than most owners think. Next to a washing machine, beside a furnace, in a busy hallway where footsteps pass constantly. Cats feel vulnerable while eliminating. Sudden noise can startle them midstream. Chronic stress releases hormones that affect blood pressure and organ function over time. A quiet, low-traffic corner is ideal, not isolated in a dark basement, just calm. Safety encourages complete, relaxed elimination. 8. Cleaning with harsh chemicals. Bleach, ammonia, strong disinfectants. Cats groom constantly. Residue on paws becomes residue swallowed. Their livers process chemicals differently than ours. Small exposures over time accumulate. Hot water and mild, unscented dish soap are enough. Rinse thoroughly. Let the box dry completely before refilling. Strong smell does not equal better sanitation. 9. Skipping full deep cleans. Scooping removes visible waste. It does not remove bacterial film that sticks to plastic. Every 2 to 3 weeks, empty the box fully. Scrub it, rinse it, dry it. Over time, plastic develops scratches that trap bacteria and odor. Replacing boxes yearly can reduce that buildup. This is about true hygiene, not just appearance. 10. Food and water too close to the box. Cats instinctively separate eating from eliminating. If water bowls sit near the litter area, some cats drink less, and hydration is one of the strongest protectors of kidney health. Concentrated urine forms crystals more easily. Diluted urine flows freely. Keep food and water in a completely separate area, ideally another room. Distance encourages better drinking habits. 11. Frequently switching litter brands. Cats rely on consistency. Texture under their paws matters. The sound of digging matters. If you switch brands often, especially abruptly, some cats hesitate. Hesitation becomes retention. Once you find a litter your cat accepts well, stay with it. Stability lowers stress. 12. Ignoring what the litter reveals. The box gives early warnings. Larger clumps than usual. Tiny clumps. Frequent small trips. Straining. Pink tint. Many kidney and bladder issues show subtle changes here first. When you scoop, take a moment. Learn what normal looks like. That awareness can add years to a cat's life. 13. Using clumping litter for very young kittens. Young kittens sometimes taste litter. Clumping clay expands when wet. Inside a tiny digestive tract, that expansion can cause blockage. Non-clumping paper or wood pellets are safer until about 16 weeks of age. Then transition slowly if you prefer clumping. It's a temporary adjustment that protects a growing body. 14. Relying too much on automatic boxes. Automatic boxes can be helpful, but motors fail, sensors miss waste, rakes jam, and perhaps most importantly, owners stop observing closely. Daily visual checks still matter. You want to see clump size, frequency, color. Technology can assist you, it should never replace awareness. 15. Using a box that's too small. The box should be at least 1.5 times your cat's body length. Large breeds like the Maine Coon or Ragdoll often struggle in standard sizes. When space is tight, they perch awkwardly. Some don't fully empty their bladder because positioning feels unstable. Large storage containers often work beautifully as litter boxes. Room to turn, room to dig, room to relax. Comfort supports complete elimination. Here's what I want you to remember. None of these mistakes cause illness in a week. They create small, repeated stress. Kidneys are resilient until they aren't, especially after age 10. Small improvements done consistently protect them quietly. I once had a soft-spoken gray cat named Oliver. For months, he used the box quickly and rushed away. We thought nothing of it. One day, we removed the cover and moved it away from the laundry room. Within days, he lingered calmly. No medication, no drama, just comfort restored. Sometimes the body doesn't need more treatment, it needs less stress. So tell me gently in the comments, how old is your cat right now? And which of these changes feels most important in your home? Someone watching may have a cat the exact same age, and your story could help them notice something sooner. We're all learning, and our cats benefit when we share quietly, honestly, and without judgment.